Video solution to NCERT exercise questions, class 10 math, exercise 10.2. This is from the chapter circles. We are looking at question number 1. This is a very simple question. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle measures 24 centimeters. And the distance of Q from the center of the circle is 25 centimeters. What we need to compute is the radius of the circle. We'll be given 4 answer choices. Let's get started. The circle that we are talking about has a center at O. The given data to us is basically from an external point Q, we are drawing a tangent QP. The length of QP is 24 centimeters. The distance between the center of the circle and point Q equals 25 centimeters. OP is the radius of the circle. We need to find out the measure of OP. We're going to be using one theorem to solve this. The theorem reads as follows. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Tangent is QP. It is in contact with the circle. It touches the circle at point Q. The radius drawn at point Q will be perpendicular to the tangent. So angle QPO is a right angle which is equal to 90 degrees. Now what we have in QPO is a right triangle. In this right triangle, we're going to be applying Pythagoras theorem. OQ is the hypotenuse to this right triangle. So OQ square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two perpendicular sides. So OQ measures 25. So 25 square is equal to, we are trying to find the measure of OP, which is the radius. So that is equal to OP square plus PQ square measures 24 square. Let's basically expand and solve this. 25 square equals 625. This equals OP square plus 24 square, which is a 576. So the measure of OP square equals 625 minus 576, which is equal to 49. OP square equals 49, OP equals 7. The radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeters. You can also quickly validate it, though you cannot solve the question this way. A Pythagorean triplet 24, 7, 25 is a Pythagorean triplet. We have the measures of the hypotenuse, which is 24, and one of the perpendicular sides, which is 25, and one of the perpendicular sides, which is a 24. So the other perpendicular side obviously will have to be 7. So if you know 24, 7, 25 is a Pythagorean triplet, then you can validate the answer after having computed it. Quickly summarize it in a printed form. We're going to be applying Pythagoras theorem, substituting value for OQ as 25, PQ as 24. We get the value of OP square to be equal to 49. So OP equals 7. The radius measures 7 centimeters. Choice A is the correct answer. Have you guys signed up at online.maxtute.com for CBSE online math coaching? If you haven't, do it today. It takes all of 5 minutes. You can quickly get started with your learning process. It's taught in a very intuitive fashion. It's not just the how, the why, what, when. Everything is discussed here. Get started right away. And before you leave, subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/Maxtute, and stay on top of your CBSE Class 10 math preparation.